Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 14 of the healthiest vegetables you can eat, according to a nutritionist. So make sure to watch the full video. From leafy greens to cruciferous veggies, vegetables are a gift from nature. Filled with immune-boosting antioxidants, fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, vegetables can make a big impact on your health. In fact, countless studies have linked the benefits of increased veggie intake to decreased risk of chronic disease, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. While all vegetables are good for you, this is a list of our favorite healthiest vegetables. We encourage you to use this list as a guide to create healthy meals and snacks you can enjoy throughout the day. But don't just stick to one. Feel free to choose a variety of veggies to bulk up your meals with nutritious flavor. And if you're unable to fresh produces in your area, frozen is a great option that you can cook by steaming, grilling, sautéing, or roasting. Need some inspo? Check out delicious carrot recipes, spinach dishes, and new ways to eat tomatoes. Carrots. Carrots are full of phytochemicals such as beta-carotene that your body converts to vitamin A, which helps with vision, especially at night. Studies also associate consumption with carotenoid-containing foods, like carrots, with a decreased risk of breast cancer. Carrots also contain vitamins K, C, as well as potassium and fiber. Enjoy these root veggies raw, shredded in salads, or blended in smoothies. Broccoli. Broccoli gets its healthy rep because it's low in calories and high in micronutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Broccoli also contains the phytochemical sulforaphane, which may help prevent against cancer. Broccoli is also a great source of vit C, K, and L, among others. Eat it raw, grilled, or steamed versus boiled to reap a bigger nutritional bonus. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are technically fungi, but they can help with cognition, heart health, and disease prevention. Rich in B vitamins, swap them in as a replacement for meat, or enjoy them grilled, sauté, or steamed. Studies suggest they can lower your risk of depression. Kale. Your favorite leafy green is positively chock full of vitamin K. Just 1/2 cup provides about 440% of the recommended daily value. Another fun fact, a serving of kale also supplies 10% of your daily value for calcium. Good to know if you're lactose intolerant. Studies also indicate that the antioxidants found in kale, called glucosinolates, may help to protect against cancer. Turnips. This root vegetable is part of the cruciferous family, related to kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Is low in calories and rich in fiber and micronutrients, including calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Not only are turnips relatively inexpensive, but their neutral taste makes them easy to add to a big variety of recipes. Try roasting or mashing them for a lower carb swap for potatoes. Spinach. This leafy green is one of the most versatile vegetables. Eat it raw, tossed in a salad, sautéed, steamed, or throw it in a smoothie as a neutral way to boost your green intake. 1 cup contains your entire daily requirement of vitamin K, and it has tons of vitamin A, over half of the recommended daily amount in a serving, and vit C, which helps boost and enhance your immune system. It also loaded with nitrates, which studies have linked with improved cardiovascular health. So make like Popeye and add this leafy green to your diet on the regular. Asparagus. Rich in antioxidants, asparagus is a natural diuretic, and as a prebiotic it feeds healthy gut bacteria. Whether you enjoy asparagus roasted or sautéed, grab a bunch the next time you're at the grocery store. The stalks contain only a few calories but lots of fiber and micronutrients such as folate, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Green beans. Green beans are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and they get their bright green color from the antioxidant chlorophyll. The longer you cook them, the quicker they lose their vibrancy. Steam, sauté, or serve them raw as a side or added to salads. Cauliflower. If you haven't already gotten in on the cauliflower craze, it's not too late to join. Swapping spuds for cauliflower is an easy way to sneak in extra vitamin C. 1 cup contains almost 100% of your daily recommended amount. Vitamin K, potassium, vitamin B6, folate, and plant-based omega omega-3s to your meal. Beets. Beets are an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant vegetable shown in research studies to have positive effects on metabolic disorders, including hypertension and insulin resistance. They've also gained popularity lately due to recent research indicating the nitrates found in beetroot juice may improve athletic performance. Don't like the taste? Just wait until you try this fudgy beet brownie recipe. Tomatoes. Fun fact: many nutritionists consider tomatoes both vegetables and fruits. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which give the salad staple its rosy red color. Research has shown that lycopene supports vascular health and helps prevent cardiovascular disease. While consuming tomatoes raw can provide lycopene, cooking them may also increase the bioavailability of this mighty antioxidant. Either way, you can't go wrong. Onions. Onions are a member of the allium family. Recent research suggests that phytochemicals found in onions and other allium vegetables might be beneficial in the prevention of certain types of cancer. They're also considered a prebiotic and can help to improve gut health and digestion by working to increase the good bacteria. While there are many different types of onions, yellow is the most widely used. Not only will onions punch up the flavor of whatever you're cooking, but they also contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has been shown to help with obesity prevention and improve liver function. Major win: eggplant. If you've ever followed the Mediterranean diet, you know how versatile and tasty eggplant can be. Eggplant is also an adaptable vegetable that can absorb the flavor of whatever else is going in your dish. Plus, studies have shown that eggplant contains cardioprotective compounds for a healthier heart. Fun fact: eggplant is actually considered a fruit and not a vegetable. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that converts into vitamin A. This complex carbohydrate may seem too good to be true, but a baked orange spud loaded with black beans, feta, herbs, and roasted peppers is one of the easiest and nutrient-dense dinners you can have. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.